songs that I wrote, I was actually writing for this record that I'm fixing to put out here on Atlantic, and one of the songs that I wrote is was something that I jokingly walked into my publishing boss's office, and I said, "Man, this would be such a cool song if Rascal Flatts cut it." And I was totally kidding, and she called me a couple of weeks later, and Rascal Flatts heard the song and they liked it, and they ended up recording it. So this song is, pretty excited about this song. This is something that ended up on their last record, their record called Nothing Like This, and it's a song called Play. So, something that I wrote. You're a single mom with 3 kids and just as many jobs. Your candle burns at both ends, but you can't make it stop. You're a farmer on a John Deere, honest work for little pay. Well, throw that thing in park, it's time to play. Like it's midnight in Vegas, Mardi Gras in New Orleans, New Year's Eve in New York City. Well, you know what I mean. Like lovers in Paris, Sunset Strip in LA. It doesn't matter where you are, no, it's alright to play. Well, there ain't no drugs or doctors who can get you what you need. I've got the magic potion and it doesn't cost a thing. Yeah, you've seen some hard times, life just works out that way. But when you're smack dab in the middle, you gotta play. Like it's midnight in Vegas, Mardi Gras in New Orleans, New Year's Eve in New York City. Well, you know what I mean. Like lovers in Paris, Sunset Strip in LA. It doesn't matter where you are, no, it's alright to play. Oh, like you're kissing the moonlight, barefoot walks on the beach, like sipping champagne straight from a bottle. You know what I mean. Oh, like it's midnight in Vegas, Mardi Gras in New Orleans, New Year's Eve in New York City. You know what I mean. Yeah, like London and Paris, Sunset Strip in LA. It don't matter who you are or where you are, no, it's alright to play. Oh, no, it's alright to play. Thank you so much. We'll switch guitars one more time here, and I've got one more song that I'm going to do for you guys. This is a song that Cat Country's been good to me, and they played this song. Thank you.
Tomorrow morning. You're going to be on the cat fight tonight, so they have to vote for you again.
Oh yeah, you guys got to give me some help here on the cat fight, so it'll be on again tonight, right?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, yeah. Yeah, I'm nervous. But, alright, so, like I said, this next one is something I wrote, and you may have heard it before. Hopefully you have. If you listen to Cat Country, you definitely have. This is, contrary to popular belief, has nothing to do with weather. And, alright, so this is something called Storm Warning. Summer sun is hot and late in July, with her windblown hair just wasn't fair, the way she was blowing my mind. Have you ever noticed every hurricane gets its name from a girl like this? She's got 5 kind, keeps you up at night, hanging on to the edge of a kiss. She's a beautiful miss. You're the kind you love to up, but what happens next? one part red. Yeah, the kind of blood you'll never forget. Gonna shout a storm warning, gonna shout a sign, gonna shout a little heads up, we'll leave wait a little more time. Some kind of radar system locked in on love. Got a feeling by the time of night finds the morning, gonna wish I had a storm warning. Yeah, I'm gonna wish I had a storm warning. I'm gonna wish I had a sign, gonna wish I had a sign or a storm warning. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thanks so much for letting me come out here and play for you folks today. I really appreciate it.
All right, everybody, put your hands together again for Hunter Hayes. You think he's going to be famous? Well, then, me too, right? Hunter, where can they buy your music? We had some people that were looking for you already on iTunes. Are you there?
It's on iTunes.
Go to iTunes and look him up, Hunter Hayes, okay? Are you good? That's your screamer in row 1, right here. And she would like you to sign something.
I would be glad to. Thank you.
Be careful.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Jackal Jim, it's all you, brother.
All right, that was awesome. Way to go, Hunter. Thanks for coming out.